HVAC people!
You've been here at my house before?
I have.
Yeah, my unit. So this time I switched it over to AC,
Okay.
and then it started leaking from the attic. So I'm like, I really feel, I know my units are old and whatever, blah, blah, blah. You have to, but I feel like, so when I had one company come, the one before you guys, so you guys came to take care of one issue, and then I filed another one, they sent another company, and that company tried to upsell me with a bunch of stuff, and I feel like, but I don't know if you noticed last time you were here, because last time you were here, I wasn't here, I was working, and somebody else was here, so I didn't get a chance to talk to you about what my unit, how it was going. I feel like they messed with my unit. Call me crazy, but I was like, because he was like, oh, we can exchange the part, but your warranty won't cover it, so you can pay $200, and then you need maintenance on, like, all this, like, bullshit.
I love to hear all kind of stories, but go ahead.
Yeah. And I'm like, dude, my units are old. Why am I going to put money into them, right? Hopefully at some point we get enough warranty and then they'll cut, you know, the warranty will pay for a new unit, which, you know, it has to be dying. I understand that. I think my other dog just left. Max! Come on, it's a little shit. Let me open the garage. Yeah, come on in. So it's the thermostat for the downstairs AC is down here, and then the unit's up in the attic.
Okay, so is that one right there leaking water? What was leaking water?
It was leaking water right through the stairs, so right where you pull it down, let me show you. So right where you pull it down, all of a sudden it started leaking. So this happened the day before yesterday. So I've been using this one. So far this one has been fine, but literally within 20 minutes, this started completely leaking right here. I was like, Justin, what's all this wet stuff right here? And it was like a little bit of rain coming from there. So, well then I gotta go get my other dog.
Alright, so they're complaining about this drain pan. This no good. No, this is where it's broke at. Not even attached. Alright, folks. Alright, so this is the old unit. Alright, so this is an older unit. Alright folks, this is an older unit. You probably remember this unit. I think I did some repair on the furnace. But this lady has been calling. This probably is a legitimate, I'm sure it's a legitimate call. But I do kind of want to see what this is, and I hope I do not make it worse. Because I know these type of coils right here, with this female nipple on here, they do break sometimes. So I'm gonna get the model serial number off this coil. I got a feeling it's an R22 system. This coil is rated for R22 and a bunch of other refrigerants. 410A, 502, R12. I think that's the original coil. I think I better pour some water in there though. So I'm gonna put a coupling right here. I put a coupling on there, and I'm gonna open it up and pour some water in there. Let's see what we got. All right, so I just went out at the condenser. The condenser looks horrible. She got dogs, they've been peeing on it. And the coils are corroded. And what I'm doing now, just freestyling. I got me some couplings. I meant to bring I think I bring a knife. I'm just gonna piece this back together and pour some water up in here. I just want to make sure it don't drain on this nipple. I mean, the unit is cooling. I know it's not that energy efficient, but as long as it don't leak, it's a warranty customer, and I know she want a unit, but okay. I do not want to take this off. If I take this off right here, unthread and put a new one on there, I would like a little bit more nipple. But that should be good enough. Put some good glue around here. It'd be all right. I thought it was long enough to put me a coupling on there, but it's not. So we did get that on there real good. That stuff's strong now, it ain't coming off. Push that on there as far as possible. Alright. I forgot my drill. Trying to get my drill, can't go out like that. Hey. Upsells, name of the game, add-ons. Ain't no oil or nothing. I tell you, this thing cooling though. Hey, you see no oil residue in that pan, so See that copper? That's good stuff. Like I say, I'll be attempting to not change this coil out. You got an access panel, clean it real good. We flushed out RX11. We're trying to upgrade that condenser unit. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some water down up in here. Maybe like that. See how it drains. That's a flooded coil there. Good condensation. So my concern is any leaks around there. I do not see anything. I think the only thing what happened was it just came loose. Yeah. She's draining good. Alright, HVAC people. I'm gonna run outside. I'm gonna show you this condenser unit just because it is cooling, but time for a change out, I would say. She want a new unit. So she don't have any sentimental value to the unit or something, no. But she wants the warranty to pay for her new unit. It just don't work like that, because if it's working and if I can fix it, you can't get a new unit. You know what I'm saying? If I come out here one summer and you got a leak in the coil out there, we'll write up a new unit. You know, it's a numbers game. I can do this all day long. A lot of times I just left a house that he needed a new evaporator coil. I was hoping it was a capacitor, but hey, I just put in my little bid. It got approved, but I just go on to the next one. See y'all on the next one.
September?
Mm-hmm.
And between the ACE, I think you were the one who originally, was it your one that put the drain pipe outside because it was leaking outside? And then the heater, and now this. So like, that one was new, because right, you didn't notice that last time you were here.
Yeah. Like I say, with this unit right here, you're gonna have all kind of problems. It's old. It's the original unit.
Yeah.
So.
You really, is it really 30 years old, or is it less than?
No, it's
like
probably
around 10, 20.
No, it's about 30. Every bit of it. Yeah. I mean, yeah. And unfortunately, all of it is. Sometimes we run on units and it be partial. You know, 10 years old or 30.
I didn't think they lasted this long.
Oh yeah, that's why I say. But I mean, because even with this unit right here, true enough, it's old. I mean, don't worry about the cosmetic as long as it's cooling.
Yeah.
Because this unit right here may last longer than a newer unit.
Yeah, I know.
Now, don't get me wrong though. This is not energy efficient at all, but
no,
it does run. You know. But until it breaks down. Yeah, but like I say,
they won't cover it until
yeah, because you know, there's nothing I can do. Yeah, just write it up. So.
Does your company do? I'm assuming you do new AC units, right?
Yeah.
How much does your company usually charge?
Well, I would have to give you an estimate. Yeah, we have low monthly payments.
So I should turn it on while you're here to make sure
it's
not leaking.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you can, but I already did. I got a gallon of water. I got a gallon of water that I poured down in there, just to make sure.
So did it just burst from?
No. I got pictures. I mean, it's just something. It's a simple problem. It's not. It's just. So it's just where the glue wore off. That's all. So the pipe. The pipe have glue on them.
Okay, Max.
This is pipe right here. You see, it just came loose. That's it. So course, this other side of the pipe is a gap right there. Instead of water going all the way down,
It went through.
went through there, come right down here. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it came through even that little zipper thing.
Yeah. So like I say, it's nothing just major, and it's just a quick fix.
Yeah.
And like I say, like I say, it's glue. You know how glue get old and dry up.
So that's what happened. So my son, you'll have to see. I don't know if you noticed when you went down to check the thermostat, the ceiling downstairs is completely off, right? So there's sheetrock now being put back up, but he went to go take a bath, and you know that little metal part on the bathtub? Well, apparently that little part is old, and so when the water filled to the line, it went over, and all of a sudden it was raining downstairs.
Oh, wow.
So the home warranty covered fixing the part, which I think the people kind of ripped them off because they didn't cover the sheetrock repair. So they busted up my ceiling downstairs, and they don't replace it. So I've been, my friend's husband has been helping, like whenever he has a chance after work, to put it back together again.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, it was like literally an old part. It's a 30-year-old, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, one thing about a house though, even with the newer one, they always in need of a repair. Saying like
something, yeah. I'm just glad I own, considering how the rates are going up, and you know they're trying to. I mean, they're really. Everyone's like, it's too high, don't buy. But I'm like, if you don't buy when you can,
it ain't going down.
It's never going down because all these investors are coming in. They're like buying up properties to rent them out. I'm like, this is insane.
That's what dogs would do.